Hello, dear children. We know you have traveled a very long and difficult journey. We know you are far from your home and family. We want you to know that your safety and health are what matter most. Unfortunately, there are many dangers on the path you are taking. There may be adults in your life who encourage you to continue your journey to other places. We want to help you recognize the dangers of continuing to travel. We also want to help you learn how to protect yourself. You are now in a place that cares for children. Other children live here too. These children also cannot live with their families right now for different reasons. Caregivers and other adults take care of them just like they take care of you. You can go to these adults if you need information, want to talk, or need help. They care about your well-being and work to keep you safe and help you feel welcome. We have a few simple rules that we all should respect to make sure your stay and the stay of other children is safe and comfortable. Respect each other. Be kind to each other and help one another. Take care of things. Look after your things and other people's things. This includes furniture and other equipment in the center. Keep clean. Help us keep our home clean and tidy. Always put trash in the trash can and clean up after yourself. If you have a problem or something bothers you, talk to an adult you trust. We are here to listen and help you. House rules. Ask an adult to explain the house rules. This includes meal times, times for learning and play, and other important rules. Long travel can make you sick. You may feel bad because you were hungry, thirsty, or very tired for a long time. You may have been cold and wet. Stay clean when you can. Wash your hands often and well, especially before eating. Shower regularly and change your underwear and clothes daily. Brush your teeth every morning and night. Ask adults for soap, toothbrush, and toothpaste. If you are a girl, ask for sanitary pads. If you feel sick, have a fever, cough, or pain, tell an adult right away. Doctors will help you. If you are not in the center and there are no adults who can help, call 112 for medical help. Remember, 112 is the emergency number in Europe if you are hurt, sick, in danger, or have an accident. We know you have wishes. You want to reach your family and get to a place where you feel safe and have a better life. Your journey has been hard and long, and on this journey, you may face different dangers. You may feel pressure to continue traveling even when you feel unsafe. If you continue your journey, whether alone or with someone, you may face different dangers. You could get seriously hurt because of difficult conditions, dangerous places, wild animals, or accidents. Some people may try to use you to make money from your wish to reach your family or another country. Even though they say they will help you, human traffickers and smugglers do not care about keeping you safe. They can put you in great danger when attempting to cross the border. These people may force you to do illegal and dangerous work. They may hurt you and be violent. Also, unknown people on the road might attack you. Your safety is very important, and you need to know how to recognize these dangers. There are safe ways to connect with your family and reach the goals you had when you started this journey. This may include reuniting with family. There are international organizations and people who work to find your family members and help you reunite safely and legally. You can also ask for international protection here. You do not need to risk your life traveling dangerous routes. Talk to caregivers, your guardian, and other adults here about your family and where they are. Talk about your wishes and goals. Sometimes on your journey, someone may try to hurt you just because you are a girl or boy. This can be any kind of bad behavior. Someone touches you in ways you do not like or that make you uncomfortable. Someone forces you to do things that you do not want to do. Someone threatens you or tries to scare you because you are a boy or girl. Someone makes you feel less important just because you are a boy or girl. Someone takes your things or forces you to do hard work. No one is allowed to hurt you, touch you without permission, or force you to do something you do not want to do. No one can do things that harm you or make you feel bad. If this ever happens to you or you feel unsafe, get help right away. If you are staying in a center for children, tell your caregiver, guardian, or another adult you trust. They will protect you and stop this from happening. If you are not in a center and do not have a trusted adult, call the emergency number 112. You can also talk anonymously to the Brave phone through a WhatsApp chat. Scan the QR code to use their multilingual chat. They will listen and give you advice. You have traveled far and been through difficult things to be here today. This takes great courage and strength, which you have. Here is what you can do to protect yourself. Trust your instincts. If someone seems suspicious or you feel uncomfortable, move away from them. Say no. You have the right to say no to anything you do not like or that frightens you. If your family and other close adults want you to continue your journey to other European countries, talk about this with your caregiver and guardian. They can help you understand safe ways to reunite with family or achieve your goals in this country without the dangers of more travel. Never go alone with people you do not know. Do not take things from strangers. Always keep important documents with you. Ask for help. Always ask for help from adults you trust. This can be a caregiver, guardian, or any adult who cares for you. Remember the emergency number 112. Once you feel safe, we can help you find your path. This might be education and job training, reuniting with family, or building a new life where you feel strong and supported.